Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Marcy and today you're watching Mix with Marcy. I just wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys my braid down that my cousin did for me. Because I am about to attempt to do a closure sew-in on myself. So I have 3 bundles. I have a 16, a 12, and 14. 16, 12, 14. This hair I purchased at my local beauty supply. Saves 100% human hair, body wave. It was, I believe, how many grams was it? And separately I went and purchased a closure. This closure was $45 and it is a 14 inch. I went ahead and bleached the knots. I bleached the knots, and it's supposed to be a HD lace. I bleached the knots. It I guess it came already pre-plucked, so I did not pluck it. I'm going to put this on close to last, but I do want to go ahead and get majority up my head. So we'll be back. So she's done. What do you guys think?